AI isn't coming. It already moved in. That's why the Hello LLC created the AI Edge podcast every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time Zone. You can watch it live inside the Hello Plaza Metaverse. Yes, the future of the internet. Join from your phone or laptop. No VR headset needed. No tech degree required. Just be able to read and press a few buttons. Too old school, don't like change? We've got you covered too. You can watch in regular 2D like it's 2020 on all social media platforms. Smarter business, less chaos. Come listen and join the AI Edge. AI is the new hustle. Also, go and listen to the latest podcast show by visiting our Biz in a Box and listen to the full podcast at thehellollc.io. Level up and automate with the Hello LLC. The future is already here. AI and understand AI is the new hustle, but implementation is where the revenue is. Implementation. A lot of people have been talking about the metaverse, and people have been saying, oh, see, David, the metaverse is dead. You see, Meta, they fired 1,400 people and they're closing down metaverse. I want people to understand. It's like saying a website closed down and the internet is no longer existing. And once again, Meta is not metaverse. Meta had a world called Horizon. Oops, I misunderstood what metaverse was. My bad. And they were building Horizon, which was a lot of playing and games. So look, when we talk about the metaverse, I want you to understand. The metaverse is a 3D virtual experience. It is taking your social media, your videos, your pictures, your images, and your voice into a 3D immersive experience. Imagine now living inside your actual social media. And this is what the metaverse does, where your Zoom, your trainings, your virtual calls, your product launches, shopping, all can be done instead of on your online infrastructure. It can be done on the metaverse. So this, my friends, is the difference in how you can be able to implement and utilize technology to a whole new level. We continue to remind people that metaverse is a piece of our business. We've been talking about AI before AI was cool. 10 years ago, I reminded people that AI is going to change. It is going to change the way we work. It is going to shift what type of work we do as well. Is it going to take jobs? Yes, I'm going to tell you the truth. It is. Is it going to help your job? Yes, it will. But the choice is, will you utilize it and will you start learning it? The company you work for is a profit company. If they can find something cheaper, faster, reliable, no HR, no coffee, no pizza, they're going to do it. What would you do? Which is why we remind you guys of facts and stats. McKinney is saying that the metaverse will be worth $5 trillion by 2030. So for businesses, what can you do with the metaverse? I want you to imagine being able to take your website and now your clients and your customers are now able to step inside the metaverse. Being able to have your virtual calls in the metaverse. No more Zooms. Being able to now have your trainings. No more flying your clients and your customers and your new employees to an actual location. You now can do your trainings online. 4 times faster learning. Those are facts. Not to mention, you now are also being able to engage in a whole new way. This is the future of the internet. As you are currently seeing, EU said they're no longer using Zoom. They're now wanting to be able to have their own. So look, the metaverse isn't going nowhere. I want you to understand, it is just now starting. The smoke is now clearing and the fire is about to start. At the beginning of the day, everybody discounted the metaverse because it was about fun. It was about entertainment. And I've been saying from the beginning, this is more than just fun. This is a new way that we get to build our business and move into a global organization. Being able to take your products and services and change them into different languages. Anybody that enters into your metaverse space, it now changes to their likes. The choice is yours, whether you get to implement these things or be able to sit back and wait for your competitors to utilize it, and then you're stuck, and then you're waiting. This is where you have to be preventative in your business, and just because it doesn't work for you doesn't mean it doesn't work for your customers. And just like at the beginning, you said no to Facebook, you said no to Instagram, you said no to LinkedIn, you said no to TikTok. You're on all of those or one of those. So just like you're saying no to Metaverse, I want you to remind yourself of all the things you said no to, and now you're utilizing them for your business. So don't be left behind like you were on the internet boom. Don't be left behind like you were on the social media boom. Don't be left behind in the Metaverse and AI boom. The Metaverse is the future. So make the pivot and learn now. And if you want some help, the Hello LLC can be able to help you make that pivot, because we help you not only implement, but we also can show you, teach you, or do it for you if you don't want to do it for yourself. Because at the end of the day, we help you press the button, and we want more for you than from you. So buckle up, buttercups. Let's build, let's grow. Collaboration is the new currency. And understand AI is the new hustle, but implementation is where the revenue is.
Still running your business on sticky notes? Still serving PTA flyer vibes with free word templates? Still stuck in that comfy little 2013 tech bubble for your business? AI called. It saw your workflow systems and it cried. Guess what? Your brand's in therapy now. Yeah, that comfort zone might be costing you more than you think. The Hello LLC welcomes you to go from chaos to clarity. We've been talking AI since before it was trendy. But now we're showing you how to actually use it. Real business use cases, automation hacks, and AI strategies that scale your brand now and set you up for the future. This is the AI Edge, powered by the Hello LLC. Streaming live every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time from the Hello Plaza, our Metaverse HQ. Yep, join the Metaverse from your phone, laptop, iPad, even grandma's VR headset if she'll let you use them. Or if you're still holding on, catch us on the crusty, dusty 2D social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, and X. Either way, press the button, and let's upgrade. From chaos to clarity, let's work smarter, not harder. Buckle up, buttercups, and let's explore the AI edge.
You're listening to the AI Edge, the show that makes AI simple, easy, and practical. From chaos to clarity. AI made easy. Let's cut the chaos.
Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into a topic that is so critical for small business owners. How to go from a solo act to a scalable business without losing your mind.
It's a big one because if you're a founder, you know the feeling. You're not just the CEO. You're the head of marketing, the customer service rep, the bookkeeper, and sometimes the janitor. It's a classic case of time poverty and burnout.
Exactly. You're wearing all the hats, and there just aren't enough hours in the day. The dream is to scale, to grow, but the reality is that growth often means more complexity, more tasks, and more stress.
And that burnout is real. We see it all the time. It's not just about feeling tired, it's about hitting a hard ceiling on your business's growth because you, the founder, are the bottleneck. You can't physically do more than you're already doing.
Right. The traditional way to scale was just to hire more people. But with rising costs, that's not always an option for a small business. So what if you could hire a super efficient team member that works 24/7, never makes a mistake on repetitive tasks, and costs less than a part-time intern?
And it's a psychological barrier too, isn't it? It's the fear of the unknown. Many founders think they need to be tech geniuses to use AI, and that's just not true. The tools available today are designed to be user-friendly. If you can use a smartphone, you can use AI to help your business.
That right there is the promise of AI, and it's a concept we explore a lot with the businesses we work with. They come to us feeling completely overwhelmed, and we show them how AI can become their tireless digital operations team.
So let's demystify this. When we say AI, we are not talking about sci-fi robots taking over the world. For a small business, AI is simply smart software designed to handle specific, repetitive tasks, freeing you up to do the work only a human can do.
Think of it like this. It's your automated administrative assistant, your marketing coordinator, and your customer service frontline, all rolled into one. Let's make it real. Imagine you run a hair salon.
Okay, I'm a salon owner. What are my biggest headaches? The phone ringing constantly for bookings, clients who don't show up for their appointments, and finding time to post on Instagram to get new clients in the door. It's overwhelming.
Man, is it? I can't tell you how many hours we have spent doing these exact things.
Exactly. So here's how AI steps in. First, for a solopreneur stylist, an AI powered booking system can manage your calendar online. It can even send automated text message reminders to clients 24 hours before their appointment, which drastically reduces no shows.
That alone is a game changer.
It is. And for marketing, instead of staring at a blank screen after a long day, you can use an AI tool to generate 5 creative Instagram post ideas about your new balayage special. It can write the captions, suggest hashtags, and you just have to add the photo and hit post.
Now, let's say that salon grows to a small team of, say, 5 stylists. How does AI help men?
This is where AI becomes a true operations manager. It can manage inventory, automatically sending a notification or even placing an order when you're low on a specific hair color. It can analyze your sales data to tell you which services are most profitable and when your busiest times are, helping you optimize your schedule.
That's fascinating. So it's not just about doing tasks, it's about providing insights. One of the articles we read highlighted this perfectly, saying AI enables non-linear scaling. That means you can increase your output, serve more clients, without having to increase your costs at the same rate.
Exactly. You don't necessarily need to hire a full time receptionist just because you
Welcome to the
added
Hello.
2 stylists. The AI handles the operational load. Let's take another example, a realtor.
Oh, the paperwork and repetitive communication there must be massive.
Huge. Imagine having to write 10 different property listings. That takes hours of creative energy. And AI can take the basic facts, square footage, number of beds, location, and draft a beautiful, compelling property description in 30 seconds.
Wow. What about emails? The constant stream of inquiries.
AI can be trained to handle those initial inquiries. It can respond instantly, 24/7, answering basic questions like, is this property still available? And can even provide a link to schedule a showing. This frees up the realtor to focus on high value tasks like negotiating offers and building client relationships.
And this applies everywhere. For a business coach, it's automating client onboarding. For a lash tech, it's managing bookings. For an e-commerce store, it's a chatbot on your website answering, "Where's my order?" So you don't have to.
Right. That's the core of what modern operations management is. The second article we referenced mentioned how AI is used to streamline processes and reduce costs. It's about creating smooth workflows.
But that can sound intimidating, right? Streamlined processes. It sounds like something only a big corporation does.
This is actually the number one reason people come to us. They have all these separate pieces, their email, their calendar, their social media, their invoicing, and they're drowning in the disorganization. We help a lot of small business owners solve this exact problem at the Hello LLC by building them a custom, streamlined AI operation system.
So you essentially build them their AI team member.
Exactly. We create simple automated workflows. For example, let's talk about something called robotic process automation or RPA. It sounds super techy, but it's not.
Break it down for us.
Okay, imagine a little invisible bot that lives in your computer. You can teach it to do simple rule based tasks. For example, when a new order confirmation email arrives in my inbox, copy the customer's name, email, and order number and paste it into a new row on my Google Sheet.
So it completely eliminates manual data entry.
Completely. The bot just does it for you instantly and perfectly every single time. Think about the hours that saves over a year. That's an operational workflow, and it's no longer just for big companies. It's accessible to a restaurant owner managing online orders or a coach tracking new client signups.
Okay, this all sounds great, but for the listener who's feeling that tech overwhelm, where do they even begin? What is the absolute first step?
This is my favorite piece of advice. Pick one thing, just one. Don't try to automate your whole business tomorrow. Think about your week and identify the single task that you dread the most, the one that makes you sigh every time you have to do it.
Yeah, that's good advice. Is it writing follow-up emails? Is it coming up with social media captions? Is it creating invoices?
Whatever it is, start there. That's your target for automation. A great practical first step is to open up a free AI tool like ChatGPT or Google's Gemini and just ask it for help with that one thing.
Can you give us an example of what to type, a prompt?
Sure. Let's say you're that lash tech. You could type, act as my expert social media manager. My business is called Lush Lashes by Lisa. Write 5 engaging Instagram captions for me. The topics should be the benefits of hybrid lashes, a reminder to book holiday appointments early, a client testimonial, a myth about lash extensions, and a special offer for new clients.
And in less than a minute, you'll have a week's worth of content ready to go.
Exactly. The key takeaway from everything we've read and seen is that AI is most powerful when it augments human capabilities. It doesn't replace them. AI is there to do the robotic work so that you, the business owner, can focus on the human work, connecting with your customers, dreaming up new ideas, and steering the ship.
Empowers people. It doesn't replace them. And if you're listening to this and thinking, this sounds amazing, but I don't have the time to figure this out, that's okay. That's exactly what we do at the Hello LLC. We build these automated systems for you, tailored to your specific business, so you can go from solo and struggling to scalable and successful.
It's all about turning that chaos into clarity and giving you back your most valuable resource, your time.
Follow us and book your free AI audit review at the hellollc.io. Let's see where AI can save you time, money, and stress.
Most small businesses don't fail because of effort. They fail because everything is manual. In 2026, I want you to consider that AI is the new hustle. At the Hello LLC, we help forward-thinking entrepreneurs and businesses with 3 to 25 employees replace chaos with systems implementing AI and automation. We design the foundations your business needs to scale for now and in the future. AI-powered workflows, automation, modern websites, and personalized Web3 metaverse experiences that actually work together. No more chasing leads, no more broken follow-ups, no more teams drowning in busy work, just smart systems that run your business so your people don't have to. This isn't about working harder, it's about building better with AI, Web3, and FinTech. The future is already here. Welcome to the Hello LLC, where small teams scale with structure, not stress. Visit thehellollc.io.